Grateful to the President for the address which he has been pleased to deliver to both houses of Parliament assembled together on June 20, 2019.
माननीय सदस्य हिना गावित जी भाषण करें। माननीय
Honorable Speaker, sir, it's a great honor for me to rise here to open the most important discussion at the beginning of the first session of the 17th Lok Sabha. I am grateful to Honorable Speaker for giving me this opportunity. I also take this opportunity to offer my heartfelt gratitude to our beloved and most revered Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for giving me this rarest opportunity to speak on this presidential address as becoming a first-timer. My special thanks are also to the people who sent me to this August House. We have assembled here as members of the toilet, where the farmers' income would have doubled, where the youth of India would have ample opportunities to express their abilities and to fulfill their dreams, where the women would have free access to, women would feel secure to pursue their career and interest and live a life with dignity and honor. It would be an India free from terrorism, communalism, casteism, corruption, nepotism, starvation and exploitation. Sir, I offer my heartfelt gratitude to all the members. Sir, this is the vision of our leader, Shri Narendra Modi ji, on which this election was